dear students. Hope that you all are well and fine at home and expecting that you are completing all the works of your general knowledge, prepared your copies and completed your work till up to chapter 4. Now today we are going to discuss chapter 5, page 10 and 11. Okay. So first one, as you can see, it is written glass. What is glass? It is a type of style of painting flourished in the Gujarat during the 18th century. It is noted for its variety, clarity and uses of rich colors. It was influenced by the Chinese artists that made it very popular across the region. And this style of painting revolved around the brighty colors, glasses of different patterns. And that is why uses of glasses made it named as glass. So it's a glass painting. Different types of patterns are there and through it. Rich colors, it is looking very nice. You can see in your book it is given. Second one is, it is the most well-known form of tribal art, both at the international and national level. It is named after a tribe that lives in the mountains as well as the coastal areas of Maharashtra and Gujarat border. That painting is known as, you may be knowing, Warli painting. Warli painting. Third one, it is a style of Indian painting practiced in the Mithila region of Bihar. It is equally popular in some part of Nepal. This painting is created with fingers, twigs, brushes, nib pens and matchsticks using natural dyes. And what is most famous in that? Natural dyes, natural colors are used in this painting. And pigments, geometrical patterns as triangles, circles, quadrilaterals, hexagons, these all geometrical patterns you can notice when you see that type of painting. It is very famous, that is known as Madhubani painting. Madhubani painting. Fourth one is, it is a traditional painting of Odisha. The painting of this art form are especially inspired by the Jagannath temple of Puri. You may be knowing it is this temple belongs to Lord Shiva, very famous, world famous Jagannath temple. This painting is done on canvas, which is prepared using a mixture of chalk and gum with tamarind seeds. The colors used in the painting are bright and vibrant. That is Patchitra. Patchitra. Okay. Fifth one is, these paintings refer to work of art executed in tiny size, very small size, and with great details. All the details you can find, but its size is very small. These are mainly associated with the state of Rajasthan, where they are still in practice. People are practicing there. These paintings reflect the lifestyle of Rajputana tradition. Rajputana means those belongs to the royal families. They are in Rajasthan. It belongs to them. That painting is known as miniature. Sixth and last one. This style of painting is unique blend of Indian, Persian and Islamic style. It emerged, developed and spread during the period of the Mughals. Humans, plants and animals are realistically depicted in this form of art. So it is during the Mughal region it was practiced. So it is also known as the Mughal paintings. Okay. So glass, it was influenced by Chinese. Warli painting near the coastal areas of Maharashtra and Gujarat border, and on the mountains. Madhubani from the Mithila region of Bihar. Patchitra from Odisha reflected the Jagannath temple of Puri. Miniature paintings generally reflected the Rajputana traditions from Rajasthan and Mughaliya. Mughal paintings are reflected the reign of Mughals that period of time. So these all are there. Hope you have understood well. And chapter 6 and 7. Chapter 6 is all about Punjab and Haryana. So you have to write all the important facts given here about Punjab and Haryana. And chapter number 7, mummies around the world. Mummies, you know it well. Okay? Mummies from the Misr pyramid, you may be knowing. So just go through it, write the all information about it in your GK general knowledge copy. So these two chapters, chapter number 6 and chapter number 7, all the details you have to write in your copy. Okay? I hope you have understood everything. Now one more thing is given in chapter number 5, you can see. You have to write two famous Indian artists. So first one is painters. The first one is MF Hussain. Okay? And second one, you have to find by yourself. Okay? You have to write the answer. Thank you.